welcome back to my channel. Today I am telling about Messi Style Crew and what is the Messi Style Crew and what is the I am announcing something. So before we start this video, friends, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get begin. Talking about what is the Messi ambassador. Totally, actually I got email. I am talking about Messi ambassador, and this email I got last Feb, Feb. This sent me a email about the Messi Style Crew, and they want to I participate in this Messi applications program. So I just read out about the complete because I will if you I am taking any participation in any application, so I have to read about all information because that is most important to all of us. So I am reading about all about the Messi, what is the Messi Style Crew, how it's work and how we can earn and how can be this is important for all customers or not, this is supportive or not. Then I found Messi stores in all over India. It is from US, and I will find out all the most stores that they will be provide makeup products, clothing, accessories, men's clothing, kids sections, and you can style by own and you can earn by this program. So if you wear branded clothes, so if it must be for yours, and Messi is a very branded items you will got, and you also if you or wear a branded cloth, so that must be for yours. And Messi is not a small brands, and that is a very big brands, and you can search on YouTube and Google, and you can trust this programs. And so I just read it, and so then I apply this application, and that they complete my application after 10 to 15 days. And after this process, I'm the ambassador of Messi Style Crew, and that is the most important thing. And because this lockdown, so much people's doing work from home, and you know that in our India, most of people's lost on jobs, and there is nothing to get earn money. And so if you want to earn money, that you can try it this Messi programs. And if you wear a Messi stores and searching for Messi branded clothes, then must for you. And you can I provide link on in description box. You can search it and buy a program. You will definitely get discount if you buy this link. If you, that is the discount must be like $90 that you will get on 26-27, and you will discount more to 10 to 30 to 40 50% more. So then you can apply this application link, and link in description box. You can search it and click it, and you can buy all the clothes and accessories what you want. And this the situation of the work from home. Most of people are doing, but some people are doing work not from. So this is for also for housewives and girls. They are not doing any kind of jobs, so she can earn money. And this is the very great opportunity for all. When we get this email, and I just read out, and I am not believing this that is sent me for, and just read it, and completely I like this program and applications, and just read it, and all the how to we find out the more customers, and we connect to peoples. And so if you want to participate in Messi Style Group program, so you can also participate by this. And if you want to how this works, if you want to this program in Hindi, so please comment in below box. I will also apply it, and I also how to work this applications, and I will explain all the details in Messi Style by this. And Messi send me this application, and I like this, and all completely I trust this, and not let's it. So next I'm the ambassador of the Messi, and that is the small program, and I will start work from home also. If you want to take participate in this, I will explain you. And that's the I also applied for Messi stores application forms, and you can also find out the what is the Messi stores and where it will be found. If you are wear a branded cloth, then you can apply. If you are not wear a branded cloth, because that is in India applied Atmanirbhar Bharat, so I will not force you anybody. If you wear if you want, then you can apply this application and you can buy it. Otherwise your its own choice if you out of India, because this video is on a public in all over world. So this application, if you wanna buy it, so you can buy it, and application link and description box, so you can search it. And I wish this will be work for me, and let's get I hope so ki this work for me. And just I need so your support. If you want to buy, and just support me, and I hope work from home is really happens for me. And I just start little bit that I will think this work for me. And if you are watching my video out of India, and if you want a branded cloth and items, makeup products, and because makeup products are also so much, if you applied a good branded makeup product, so that's it's for you. So I will give you styling, sometimes give you styling cloths, and also applied how to apply a makeup, a little amount, and how to glow your skin, and some tips of and how to look classy in a simple look way, and you can stylish way to own. And a simple small thing you will get, and you look very so much stylish. I will start this program, and in a simple cloth, and you buy Messi stores cloth and you look stunning. And if these branded cloths are 1 year warranty also, and you will get so much confidently and confident, and you can go outside, and you can think about this. I am looking very pretty, because some people are so much confused. I'm looking like a fat, I'm looking like a dull, I'm looking like a black, I'm looking like a so much fair, I'm looking like a small faces, I'm looking like a very bulky face, and so much bulky weight, and so much thinking. So I'm totally about, it's all about the Messi Style Crew. I will tell you, and small videos I will create for how to look a very simple elegant look, in a simple look, and in a simple way to look very stylish. And this will be provide you a small tips, and you can try this hacks, and you will look awesome in a simple way. And so I hope you will be participate in my Messi Style Crew this video, and I hope it's work for me. And so I will start this Messi Style Crew program, and participate all these things, and I will tell you about this all application. If you want to participate, then you can also apply this application program. So if you want this participate this application, if you want to earn money, so I will definitely share this program for you. And this is my first video, so if you have idea that I'm not a experienced girl, but because I am letting little amount of knowledge of how to look some classy, and how to look to style you on a simple elegant dress, you how to drap your dupattas, how to drap on a single dress a one piece to look classy, how to wear a long skirt change into a one dress and look very classy using a small belt. So there are some many multiple ideas in my mind. I will definitely share with you. Please continue watch this video, and I hope you will definitely like my video. So friends, please subscribe this channel, and I love to work with this Messi store, and let's hope all things are good, and I will meet you next video. Till then friends, take care, bye bye, keep smile, never give up, and always smile. Keep smile, never give up, because life is very small, but we can laugh and easily to fight all problems. So welcome to Messi Style Crew Ambassador programs, and I will definitely share. I have multiple ideas with you to share, and how to look very stylish in a simple way. So friends, I will be definitely meet you next week. Till then friends, keep smile.